it's Tamara Bennett with Southern Adoornments Decor, and I just got a delivery of blank door hangers, and some of these were too cute not to share with you guys, so I thought I'd hop on here for like 5 minutes and just show you what all we got. So some of these are like little attachments. I don't know if you guys know or not, but we do offer all of our door hangers in 4 different sizes now: 6 inches, 8 inches, 12 inches, and 20 inches. So this is the 8-inch size. This one's a frog on a lily pad. Look at this cute little etched rain duck. I taught the Painters Clubhouse group how to paint this one this month. So if you join Painters Clubhouse in March, it opens March 28th, then you can go back and watch the tutorial and learn how to paint this one. This one is a retro bathing suit with sunglasses and flip-flops. It's kind of hard to see, but this was also a design we taught in the Painters Clubhouse last summer. So these are kind of like cute little door hanger attachments. They're 8-inch size. Showing you guys some blank door hangers that I got, getting ready to ship them out. And before we put them in boxes, I wanted to show you guys. So this is like a game controller if you've got kids who are gamers, and this is the 12-inch size. Like I was telling you guys just a second ago, all of our door hangers come in 4 sizes: 6-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, and 20-inch. Now the 6-inch size is good for a small door hanger attachment, or maybe an ornament or a card charm. And then the 8-inch size, like these, is good for a door hanger attachment also. I actually use the 8-inch size when I'm doing door hanger attachments. And then the 12-inch size is good for 2 things. You could do the porch sign attachments with that, or wreath attachments. So let's see what else we got. Now I'm really proud of this etched design because it took me a long time to design. But look at this adorable leprechaun, you guys. We're going to be painting this in the Painters Clubhouse on Monday. Jackie Watkins is going to be teaching our group how to paint it, and I can't wait to show you guys the finished picture of what it looks like. It is gorgeous. She is such a good painter. Okay, so with spring coming up, this is another cute little design. It is a rain boot and umbrella. So how cute would this rain boot be with like polka dots or flowers, or you could leave like the boot solid and then decorate the umbrella, however you want to do it. So that one's in the shop. For all of these designs, we also have templates. So if you don't like to buy blanks, you can search for the template in the shop. There's a little search bar at the top. You just type in frog or rain boot or whatever keyword you're looking for, and it will show you the template that we have to go with that. Now this one's just a frog just sitting there on his little booty. And then let's see, we got a Mickey Mouse head. That's popular for any of you guys who like Disney. What else? Oh, this is a custom kind of design. Let me hold it backwards so you guys can see it. It is a mason jar with a monogram and then your last name right there in the middle. These are also really cute in the ornament size that's 6 inches tall. Okay, and then this one, I don't know if you guys remember seeing me paint this one last summer. It's a baby lion. I did it as a baby door hanger. It was so cute. It looked like Simba from The Lion King. So that one's really cute. What else do we have? I've got a paint party next Saturday, and we're going to be painting some of these. They are like a wreath, floral wreath with a monogram in the middle, and you can get any letter of the alphabet. And then we've got the letter M. What else do we have? We've got, I keep holding them backwards, love with the baseball bats and the baseball. This could be for baseball or softball. What's this one? We got love snowflake. So we're supposed to be getting some more snow tonight. So I know some of you guys have like a foot of snow at your house. You might need that one on your front door. And then this one is like, you could be a beach ball or a sunshine and flip-flops. So this one's kind of versatile. You could do either one. And then we've got the Easter bunny. You could do anything you wanted on that one. But I think that's all we got. But in case you missed, oh, I know. Hang on, one more. This is the best one in my opinion. The best one. Look at this one. Can you see that? It's an Easter bunny sitting in a wagon on a pile full of Easter eggs. We're going to be teaching this one on February 25th in the Painters Clubhouse. Oh, my husband says to tell you it's etched. So I don't know if you guys can see that. You can just barely feel that with your fingernail. And so it's kind of like it's just drawn on there, and then when you paint over it, it doesn't show underneath your paint lines. So actually you could even, like if you wanted to paint this egg and do the egg purple and the polka dots white or some other different color, you really wouldn't even have to paint around each one of these little dots. You could paint the entire egg purple, and then you can barely see that little line so that you can still go back and paint the dots on top of the purple egg. So it makes painting these so much easier for those of you guys who are not very good at drawing some of the details on your door hanger. So if you're in the Painters Clubhouse, we are going to be painting this on February 25th. And if you want to join the Painters Clubhouse, it's going to open back up March 28th. You can go back and watch it anytime. Just size, the 20-inch size, if it's etched, is usually about $22.50. If it's not etched, the largest size is $15. So the etching costs extra because it takes quite a bit of extra time to do on the laser cutting machine. But this is the cute little leprechaun, and it's going to say Lucky, L-U-C-K-Y, on the banner. And he's sitting on top of a pot of gold. Isn't that so cute? So like I was saying, you can get these in 4 different sizes. This is the 12-inch size. The one I just showed you was 20-inch. And then these are 8-inch size. And they also come in 6-inch, which I don't have any of those on hand to show you, but they're just, you know, just a tad bit smaller. So if you want to head over there and shop, you can either get the blanks or the templates at southern-adoornmentsdecor.com/shop. The button's right there above you. And let me know if you have any trouble finding anything. And if you're from the Painters Clubhouse, don't forget to use your 20% off discount code. See you guys later. Bye.